The power of artificial intelligence and machine learning, revolutionizing the future. In a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, one innovation stands out above the rest: artificial intelligence and machine learning. Unleashing the power of AI and ML is revolutionizing the future, transforming industries, and shaping the way we live and work. In an era defined by rapid technological advancement, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, extends far beyond niche applications. From the critical domain of healthcare, where these transformative technologies are reshaping the landscape of medical practices, to the intricate world of finance, transportation networks, and the realms of entertainment, the pervasive influence of AI and ML is unmistakable. At Tech Time, our mission is to deliver more than just information. We're your companions on the ever-evolving tech landscape. Expect in-depth analyses, hands-on reviews, and exclusive glimpses into the future of technology. Your support fuels our passion, and together, we're building something extraordinary, a thriving hub for tech enthusiasts like yourself. Ready to unlock the latest in tech innovation and digital adventures? Hit that subscribe button and join our channel. Stay ahead with exciting content and be the first to experience the future, one click away from a world of endless possibilities. Subscribe now. Healthcare, AI and ML algorithms are becoming indispensable tools for medical professionals. These technologies have transcended conventional diagnostic approaches, enabling doctors to analyze extensive datasets with unprecedented speed and precision. The ability to discern intricate patterns within patient information empowers healthcare providers to make timely and accurate diagnoses, ultimately saving lives. Moreover, the integration of AI and ML technology streamlines administrative processes, freeing up valuable time for medical professionals to focus on personalized patient care, thus revolutionizing the healthcare experience. Transitioning to the financial sector, AI and ML algorithms are proving to be game changers in the landscape of investment and financial management. These technologies possess the capability to analyze vast datasets of market trends, swiftly predict stock prices, and formulate investment strategies with unparalleled accuracy. As a result, individuals and businesses alike benefit from well-informed decision-making, maximizing financial potential and adapting to the dynamic nature of global markets. In the domain of transportation, the infusion of AI and ML technologies is reshaping how we navigate our world. Self-driving vehicles, guided by sophisticated algorithms and sensor networks, are not merely a futuristic concept but a tangible reality. These vehicles can navigate complex traffic scenarios, mitigate the risk of accidents, and optimize routes for efficiency. The result is a transportation landscape that is safer, more streamlined, and environmentally conscious, addressing both individual and societal needs. The entertainment industry is undergoing a paradigm shift with the immersive experiences crafted by AI and ML. Virtual and augmented reality applications, driven by these technologies, redefine the boundaries of our digital interactions. From gaming realms that adapt to user behavior to virtual travel experiences that transport individuals to distant locales, AI and ML usher in an era of entertainment that is not only captivating but also highly personalized. In essence, the transformative potential of AI and ML extends across diverse sectors, not only solving intricate problems but also revolutionizing decision-making processes. What was once deemed time-consuming and labor-intensive tasks are now seamlessly automated, unlocking efficiencies that redefine our day-to-day lives. The integration of AI and ML is not merely a technological evolution, it is a fundamental shift in how we approach challenges, make decisions, and envision the possibilities that lie ahead in this dynamic technological landscape. Take healthcare, for example. With AI and ML, doctors can now analyze vast amounts of patient data, identify patterns, and make accurate diagnoses faster than ever before. This not only saves lives but also reduces the burden on healthcare professionals, allowing them to focus on providing the best care possible. In the financial sector, AI and ML are revolutionizing the way we invest and manage our money. Advanced algorithms can analyze market trends, predict stock prices, and make investment recommendations with incredible accuracy. This empowers individuals and businesses to make informed decisions and maximize their financial potential. Transportation is another area where AI and ML are making waves. Self-driving cars, powered by AI algorithms and sensors, are changing the way we commute. These vehicles can navigate through traffic, avoid accidents, and optimize routes, making transportation safer, more efficient, and reducing our carbon footprint. Entertainment is not left behind in this AI revolution. Virtual reality and augmented reality experiences powered by AI and ML are taking us to new realms of immersion and interactivity. From gaming to virtual travel, these technologies provide us with experiences that were once unimaginable, blurring the lines between the real and the virtual. But the true power of AI and ML lies in collaboration. By leveraging the collective intelligence of diverse professionals, these technologies can unlock innovative solutions to complex problems. From data scientists to engineers, psychologists to artists, the possibilities are endless when we combine our expertise with the capabilities of AI and ML. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. But as we embrace this revolution, we must also address the ethical implications and ensure that these technologies are used responsibly. Transparency, privacy, and accountability must be at the forefront of AI and ML development to build a future that benefits all of humanity. So, let us unleash the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning, revolutionizing the future and shaping a world where innovation knows no bounds. Together, we can create a future that is smarter, more efficient, and filled with endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this digital adventure. If you found this tale enlightening, share it with fellow adventurers. Subscribe to become a part of our digital fellowship, and until our next journey.